hello po! Ako nga po pala si Dorado, or Juan Dorado, you can call me. I just wanted to say thank you so much to PCC for inviting me, and to the First Lady. 와주셔서 너무너무